Just finished drawing this one. It's gonna be a sticker. It's gonna be a big sticker. It could also be a print. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Super nice. So anyway, long story short, I put myself to a challenge to create a piece of art a day for 30 days just to get the creative juices flowing. You know the deal. So today I had a shoe. That's what came up on my little piece of paper. So this is the one I came up with, and it took me a little bit to make it. But I'm so happy with it. I just hope my printer has enough ink for today. I could easily fix it by getting one tomorrow. It's no big deal. But I mean, when you make something, you get really excited and you want to print it right away. So I'm not sure how big I'm gonna make this sticker, because I was thinking of making a little one, but it has so much detail that it needs to be either a print or it needs to be like a larger sticker. So I'm having a lot of fun with this. I love this color palette, and you'll see that I like really strong, bold colors. That's what I like. Very rare to use like a pastel color. It looks so much better when it's a full page. I think I'm going to make a print out of this one because I just love the colors. I'm obsessed with the colors. I love it. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh wow. Let's see if it cuts. I don't know why it has that line. It wasn't supposed to have. I guess that's the cut line. Oh, something that happens a lot. This is why I get so frustrated sometimes when I use the machine. Print can be perfect, and then the lines and the Cricut, it's I recalibrated this one before I started, and it has the lines. I don't know if you can see that. It has the lines. It's fixable because I can definitely cut that by hand, right, and fix it. But that's the whole idea of having the cutting machine, for it to cut and do its thing, so I don't have to do extra work. But that's beside the point. So yeah, so these are the stickers that I was making. They're so cute. I can't wait to put them up on my shop. And yeah. Little coffee creamers. So I do have to cut out a little bit. It's so annoying, but it's gonna drive me crazy if I don't. So I'm gonna do that, but much better than yesterday. They're so cute. This is so stinking cute. So cute. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I can't wait to send my mom these. When the first thing when I go to Puerto Rico, they usually take me to the bakery, like we call it the panaderia, and they have all kinds of sweets and stuff, but we really go for the bread, and it comes in this bag. It's so cute. It looks just like it, and the bread is so delicious, and that's when you know you're home. Yeah, so I made these, and I had to cut them with the little scissors I had, because the Cricut, like I said before, it does what it wants. So it didn't cut the sticker perfectly, but it did it better than the last few times. And I'm not gonna lie, I got a little frustrated. I'm really thinking into getting a silhouette instead, or just outsourcing the stickers altogether, because I think it's not worth you know, after you make this sticker and everything, print it out perfect, and once the cut line, it's just gonna ruin the print. And honestly, it's not worth my time. If it's making me work harder, then it's not taking me anywhere. So I think I'm just going to move on to the silhouette. I've tried to calibrate it like maybe 10 times in 2 days, and I'm done. It's great. The machine is great, but it doesn't, like for stickers, especially when you have stickers like this that have like shading and stuff. And it ruins it, and you're wasting a ton of ink, and it's honestly, it's not worth it. For me, it's not worth it. And going on customer service, they're going to give you a new one, and I have to reprogram it and learn it. It's probably going to do the same thing because, yeah. So anyway, so yeah, these are so cute. I mean, if you're Puerto Rican, and I know you can smell this video, just imagining, because if you're if you're far away from home and you haven't tried Puerto Rican bread in a long time, I know this is, oh my god. So yeah, so that's a finished product. Everything that I've been posting in this vlog is available at my Etsy shop already. If you follow me on TikTok, you see everything, basically. Because by the time I edit and collect all these clips to put it on YouTube, it's already, you can see the whole thing on TikTok. So yeah. final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. Links are in the description box below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.